Hi, I'm Mike Mackey, CTO at CENTRI Technology. CENTRI Technology's IoTAS platform, or Internet of Things Advanced Security, is really a collection of components that you can use to secure your IoT ecosystem. Whether that involves IoT devices, mobile applications, maybe a gateway, cloud infrastructure, and really any network connecting those. Any combination of these various types of components, we have solutions shown in red on the whiteboard here to help you secure the data at rest on those varied devices or in transit between those devices. So take, for instance, probably the most common case where you have an IoT device and you want to communicate between that IoT device and some cloud infrastructure securely. You can take our CENTRI Secure Communication Library on the device side and our CENTRI Secure Communication Service on your cloud infrastructure side and use those two components to allow those two devices to communicate securely. For at rest on the device, we have the CENTRI Data Protection Library. You can call that library from your application, encrypt data, and then stick it in the device storage. Same with the mobile device. Same components you see with the IoT device. CENTRI Secure Communication Library for transit security and CENTRI Data Protection Library for storage. Gateway, same common components. One difference is on gateway, we typically call it a midpoint. Not only can you use this solution to communicate between any two devices, but in more complex scenarios where, say, you have a mobile device and you want to communicate from the mobile device, maybe via a gateway, to an IoT device. All these components can be used for that scenario. They can also be used for a device-to-device communication scenario, or even, and I didn't draw it here, but if you have a server-to-server communication scenario. So regardless of what types of devices you're using, how many different components you have, what the network is, CENTRI's IoTAS platform can be used to secure that data at rest on any of those devices or in transit between those devices. Look for other videos as we dig into each of these components and provide more detail on how the CENTRI IoTAS solution works.